Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install PUBG PC in 2026 step by step. The first step is to make sure you have the Steam application installed on your PC. If not, please install Steam first because download PUBG via the Steam application. If you have, open the Steam application and we search in the search column above, type PUBG. Then the PUBG game will appear at the bottom. Just click to open it. Okay, so first thing here we need to check here the system requirements. So make sure that before you install it on your PC, it's meet the minimum standard of the requirement system here. Next, you can just scroll up and above there is an add to library button. You can add to your library first. Then click play game to start downloading this game. The installation size of PUBG PC game is 45 gigabytes. So make sure you have enough storage space, and here you can also choose which drive you want to install it on. And to continue, click install at the bottom to start downloading this game. You can click at the bottom to see the download process. Here you can see information about the game download process. Because the size of this game is quite large, while you're downloading, you can pause the download and you can continue anytime until the download process is complete. So here I will skip this video until the download process is complete. So the download process is complete, and now we can go back to library and you can see that the game is installed, and here you can just click play to play this game. Okay, so now I'm in the game and it's successfully opened and running fine. I hope this video was helpful, and we will see you in the next video.